Unraveling the Coolness. Cold as a cucumber, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a quirky and cool expression, cold as a cucumber. Stick around to find out how this phrase can add a refreshing twist to your English conversations. The phrase, cold as a cucumber, is used to describe a person who remains calm and composed under pressure, showing no signs of stress or emotion. Interestingly, it doesn't literally refer to the temperature of a cucumber but rather to the cool, collected state one maintains in stressful situations. The origin of cold as a cucumber can be traced back to the natural characteristics of cucumbers, which tend to stay cool to the touch even in warm environments. This comparison has evolved into a metaphor for someone who stays cool under pressure, much like the vegetable maintains its coolness. Incorporating cold as a cucumber into your daily conversations can be quite simple. Here are a few examples. Even during the intense debate, she remained as cold as a cucumber. Facing the final round of the competition, he was cold as a cucumber. These sentences highlight the phrase's versatility in describing someone's calm demeanor in potentially nerve-wracking scenarios. Understanding expressions like cold as a cucumber not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the creative and figurative aspects of the English language. We hope this explanation helps you feel a bit cooler and more confident in your English-speaking journey. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be as cool as a cucumber in any conversation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.